MaxCell, a flexible fabric innerduct, is one of the most innovative and fastest growing products in the network construction industry. MaxCell has become the standard for allowing companies to maximize their conduit space while reducing total system cost. Compared to rigid innerduct, MaxCell allows network owners and builders to increase their cable density by as much as 300%. Its unique design allows MaxCell to conform to the shape of cables placed within, greatly reducing the wasted space associated with traditional methods. More than 400 million feet of MaxCell has been installed around the world. Whether you're working in new construction, existing, or congested conduits, MaxCell is the perfect innerduct solution. From curb to building, to bridges and NDUs, even cell site upgrades, MaxCell will help you maximize value. MaxCell is currently utilized by a wide variety of industries, including telecom and broadband operators, government, municipalities, and the military, utility, oil and gas companies, data centers, airports, and educational and business campuses. In new construction and existing applications, MaxCell allows you to deploy infrastructure faster and easier than with traditional innerduct. In applications where space is at a premium, deploying additional cables often requires digging to lay new conduit, which means time, labor, and expenses. With MaxCell, there's no need to dig, because MaxCell can be added to occupied conduit. If you're looking for a no-dig solution, even if you have occupied conduit, you'll accomplish more in less time with MaxCell. MaxCell is simple to install and makes cable placement easy. In traditional 4-inch outer ducts with 3 1¼ inner ducts, you are limited to a 3-pathway maximum. With MaxCell, you can place up to 9 traditional large cables and an even greater number with smaller diameter cables. The same benefits can be seen in smaller 2-inch and lower duct structures, where operators can now install multiple cables where they were previously confined to only one pathway. Where you'll notice the biggest difference between MaxCell and rigid innerduct is your bottom line. On average, MaxCell can cut your installation times in half and save you 80% on shipping charges versus what it costs to ship HDPE. Compared to rigid innerduct, MaxCell has a melting point of 419 degrees, double the melting point of HDPE, making burn-through a thing of the past. It's unaffected by long-term exposure to water, ground chemicals, and petrochemicals. And MaxCell is halogen-free, with a proven 86.6% carbon emission reduction over HDPE innerduct. MaxCell allows you to deploy cables faster with less manpower, less storage, less transport costs, and with less trenching. Maximize your network solutions, maximize your conduit space, and maximize your bottom line with MaxCell. For more information on our conduit maximization solutions, including MaxCell and MaxSpace, visit our website at www.maxcell.us.